Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber or returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's been a while since I uploaded. Yes, I'm sorry, I had a little bit of a situation, but everything has been rectified. So I'm back to filming. I'll be uploading every 2 or 3 times a week, inshallah. I will start off with my eyebrow, and the eyebrow pencil I'm using is from Floma Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. The shade is brown. I'm using 2 shades, dark brown and brown. And the concealer I'll be using is LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and Espresso. So let's get the video rolling. I'm using Espresso at the top. I'll go back with my pencil to correct. Same concealer on my eyelid. I'll start off by blending the excess concealer downwards. I have a problem with my eye, so should in case you see me tearing, the problem has started, but I hope not. Now I'm using this palette shade as my transitional shade. My next shade is this one right here. It's a very soft shade. My next shade is this army green shade right here. I'm going for a very soft look today, and I'm blending that shade together with the other shade I use. All the shade I use are all, they are all matte shade. Yes, matte. NYX Born to Glow Illuminate. I'm using a small amount. For my foundation, I'm going in with LA Colors Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Mahogany. I'm using a very small amount. I'm using that same concealer. I mean, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. These are the areas I want to highlight, and I'm using my concealer, Zoria concealer brush, to blend. My contouring, I'm going in with this shade. I'm contouring here. My contouring, I'm using the Banus palette with this shade to set my contouring, to set the areas that I contoured. Highlighted, I'm using my Benai Luxury Powder to set the areas I highlighted. Using this brush. To bake, I'm using that same powder. Now I'm going back for my eyes. I'm using my mascara. These are my lashes for today. So I'm going in with my eyeliner from Maybelline Master Ink. I'm not going with any dramatic look, something simple for the eye. Okay, this powder. I'm using this shade right here. For my blush, I'm going in with this shade, both shade. For my setting spray, I'm going in with this Kiss Beauty setting spray. For my waterline, I'm going in with this, is it Pharmacy Ultra Black Eyeliner. To kind of smoke my waterline, I'm going into my transitional shade, this shade, to smoke out my waterline. So I'm going back into my eyeliner to kind of wink my inner eye area. For my glow, I'm going in with this palette from Beauty Creation, and I'm using a little bit of a setting spray on my brush. I'm going in with the middle shade to highlight my brow bone. Like I'm going in with this NARS and flow them. The first one I'm using is from NARS. I'm going in with the flow them. No. Okay, I'm going in with this NARS lipstick.